The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is a bold leap forward in smartphone innovation, engineered for users who demand the absolute best in performance, display quality, and photography. At the heart of the device is a stunning 6.7-inch QHD AMOLED display with an ultra-responsive 144Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and unparalleled fluidity whether you're gaming, scrolling, or streaming high-definition content. This high-end visual experience is paired with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, a flagship-level chipset designed to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease, from advanced AI applications to console-quality mobile gaming. The Edge 70 Ultra doesn't stop at power. It redefines storage and memory expectations. With a staggering 32 GB of RAM, multitasking is seamless, and app switching feels instantaneous. The device also includes an incredible 1 TB of internal storage, offering more than enough space for 4K videos, high-resolution photos, and a massive collection of apps and games, without ever worrying about running out of room. Camera performance takes a major leap with the inclusion of a revolutionary 300MP primary sensor. Whether you're capturing intricate landscapes, detailed portraits, or dynamic night shots, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra ensures exceptional clarity, depth, and color accuracy in every frame. This level of camera technology pushes the boundaries of mobile photography, making it a dream device for content creators and photography enthusiasts alike. To keep up with its powerhouse internals, the phone is equipped with a massive 8,000 mAh battery. This ensures all-day and even multi-day usage on a single charge, even under heavy loads like gaming, video recording, or using mobile data for extended periods. Combined with intelligent battery optimization and fast charging capabilities, the Edge 70 Ultra provides both endurance and convenience. Altogether, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement of technological excellence. Whether you're a gamer, professional, or creative, this device delivers top-tier specs in every category, confidently placing itself among the most powerful and future-ready smartphones on the market today.